Hereby, we are introducing a software arrangement for you known as Total Freedom. You just have to make one call in a day, nothing else. You don't require laptop, nothing. Just one call to your stockbroker and tell him whatever we suggest. It's going to be only 4 scripts in a day. It takes just 1 minute or less than that to tell him what you need to do. Your investment can be from 10,000 to 30,000 to 3 lakhs, and you would be getting net profit of 1% per day. That's a very substantial amount. It's fully automated. You just have to check my WhatsApp message and make a call to your stockbroker. Everything done automatically. Have been very difficult up till now. People have not been able to really gain out of it. But now I'm going to show you live on daily basis when I do this business myself. You have total freedom. You can do your whatever work you are already doing today. You can continue doing that. You can go on holidays. You yourself will be your own boss. You will have a lot of money in hand. Share exchange, stock exchange is a very big organization. There are about 5,000 companies listed, and the average company's capital would be something like 20,000 crores. So imagine what kind of business we could be trying to get our small share from. It's really very big, and as I said, I have done it. That is why I'm showing you live on Facebook or WhatsApp, whatever is suitable to you as per your internet plan. You just have to send me a WhatsApp request saying complete freedom so that I know you are connected with this project. That's my mobile number 981999777203. I'm Mumbai based, but I do share trading on Nifty. That's National Stock Exchange, Delhi. I prefer that. But it's all online, only on the telephone. You would be earning 1% per day. That's a net profit on whatever you're investing. So let's say you would be saving 300 rupees per day, which will be your net profit after giving the brokerage, the state government taxes, the central government taxes, on, let us say, your investment of 30,000 with just 1 minute call. Just make a call, forget about it. Automatically around 2:30, when you check, you would have that kind of profit which I just said, and that is how we continue the next day and the day after, and it goes on. Why it's easy now is because I have been working on this project for 4,800 hours. That's about 2 years of lot of work, and I've been using a lot of intelligence, lot of experience and tricks I've been trying to understand, and then finally I have programmed it into a software. So there are about 8 criteria which work on it to give us the kind of result that makes all this possible. As I said, if Ola was good or Other is good, Uber is good, very convenient for you to commute, Amazon very good for you to shop sitting at home, you can definitely earn a lot of money here. Whereas on those websites you have been spending, this is a place where you will be earning, and you will be earning like anything. Okay, I hope you understand what I say, and take this as a beautiful chance. Perhaps I won't be able to give this to everybody, so whosoever comes first, naturally I would be entertaining him or her. Bye bye.